Here is the 6th generation of Nissan's successful 7-seat minivan. Presented here is a top-of-the-range Serena Highway Star version, built from 2016 to 2019. Nissan's Serena received a few design refreshes for the summer of 2019, including new front and rear lights, a redesigned grille, and slight changes to both bumpers. By 2022, the Serena has been succeeded by a brand new generation that looks a lot like the model you are about to discover. Serena is offered with 3 petrol powertrains to choose from. One you look at is a S-Hybrid version with 4-wheel drive. The other 2 engine options are a 2-litre naturally aspirated unit and a powerful fuel-efficient advanced e-Power 1.25-litre 3-cylinder. The presented S-Hybrid version offers better acceleration with improved fuel economy compared to the basic 2-litre petrol engine. Although it is powered by the same as in the base model, the 4-cylinder 997cc, 150 PS, MR20DD engine, it features an added electric motor that delivers 48 Nm of extra torque. The result is a smooth driving experience right from the start and an average fuel consumption of just 6.3 litres per 100 kilometres. For such a large 7 or even 8-seater, this is excellent value. Transmission is an Xtronic CVT matted to an electronically controlled 4-wheel drive system. Peace of mind in winter conditions and increased stability and safety on rainy days. With a body length of 480 centimetres, the Serena is 20 centimetres longer than the 2020 Toyota RAV4 or 25 centimetres longer than the BMW 2 Series Grand Tourer minivan. To put it in perspective, the standard Toyota Hiace van is also 10 centimetres shorter than the Serena. Its 286 centimetres wheelbase ensures a smooth ride and a spacious cabin that is almost 3.5 metres long and 1.4 metre wide. You get a host of standard safety systems, plus the Nissan ProPilot suite for a comfortable and rewarding drive in all conditions. You will love the interior ambience and onboard amenities. The seats are comfortable, and their design is based on extensive studies of human anatomy to ensure healthy and comfortable sitting on even the longest of journeys. There is plenty of well-thought-out storage space with numerous hooks and other useful little extras. Driving position is good and the drive itself is pleasant and silent. Dashboard looks clean and contemporary. Climate control is fully automatic and covers the entire car, with individual vents for all rows and seats. There is extensive infotainment and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. Multi-function steering wheel with controls to operate audio and advanced cruise control. The car you're looking at is equipped with Nissan's advanced ProPilot system, designed to make the driver more relaxed and less preoccupied with traffic while maintaining the highest levels of safety. The Serena's interior height is up to 140 centimetres, which is great, especially if you have children. The fact that children can stand up freely inside, enabling them to put on a jacket or change clothes, is a brilliant feature. Generous space in each seating row will delight users. Integrated foldable tables for second-row passengers come with dual cup holders and power sockets. There are 7 power outlets around the cabin. Long sliding rails allow the second row of seats to be adjusted extensively. Depending on the trim, you can choose between a 7 or 8 passenger configuration or even an extra sliding mechanism for the third row of seats. Whether you're camping, transporting bicycles, surfboards or groceries, there's ample space and smart aids to make hauling a breeze. With just 2 people on board, the cargo space expands to around 2,800 litres, with enough room for items up to 195 centimetres long. Additionally, Serena Highway Star offers several smart extras, including power sliding doors activated by a foot gesture, a tailgate that opens in 2 sections for easy loading in various scenarios, and a capless fueling port. Similar Nissan Serena S Hybrid you can buy at B Forward. The C27 2017 to 2022 model starts from $3,060 USD. Please check current prices on the B Forward website. In summary, Nissan Serena Highway Star S Hybrid is the ultimate family vehicle, boasting an impressive array of features designed to elevate your driving experience. With its spacious interior and versatile seating options, it effortlessly accommodates the needs of every family member, ensuring comfort on long journeys. Plus, its 4-wheel drive combined with advanced S Hybrid technology delivers exceptional performance and fuel efficiency, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective for the modern family on the go. For any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out via email at top@beforward.jp.